EasyLiving by Carlisle is making it easy to get into your new home sooner. Our fast and affordable approach has just 6 steps to your new home, all from one convenient location. Get fixed price site costs and tender, and complete your colour selection all from your local EasyLiving display centre. Even better, $2,000 is all you need to pay until your slab is poured. Where do we start? Step 1. Finance. Meet with a loan studio advisor and let's establish your budget. We have 3 and 4 bedroom homes. Step 2. House and land. We are the house and land experts. So whether you already have land or not, our team will help with the perfect match. Step 3. Selections. Our EasyLiving homes come with a variety of great value facades for you to choose, as well as our designer colour schemes and practical options to customise your home. Step 4. Fixed price contract. Your peace of mind is our priority, so a fixed price contract is what we do. Your sales quote and selections are formalised in a HIA building contract ready in just 4 weeks from your initial deposit. Step 5. Start building. Once your land is titled and registered in your name, we can start building as soon as 12 weeks after signing your building contract, subject to site start availability. Step 6. Move in. Move into your single-storey home 20 weeks after site start. Move into your double-storey home 24 weeks after site start. EasyLiving, making it easy.